to cope up and be updated with the needs of time. Information and communication technology, or ICT, are widely used in different areas, especially in education, specifically in classrooms. Now, resolve that ICT should be used in the entire teaching learning process. Each speaker would be given a 3 minutes to speak. First speaker from the affirmative side, Charlene Angel Barriares.
Start naman. Ma'am.
Good afternoon to my dearest listeners and audience, especially to our dearest teachers. I am here to present or to defend the positive side of technology. Technology should be used or utilized in the entire learning process. In this generation, or what we call Jet generation, technology has been accelerated, especially in school. Many students like me uses technology in their learning and in their studies. Technology is very useful on us. For example, you have a presentation or a report. Instead of using pencil, pen, and papers, why don't you use computer and a projector? Because based on my experience, when you use the artistic and a wonderful presentation, many students will appreciate and like your presentation. They will just listen and listen, or they will just learn. I believe that technology is a gift, and technology makes our life easier and faster. But not just a presentation, technology can be useful in some other way like assignment. I know many students will just research, and I proudly say that I can beat you. There are some other signs that assignments are very difficult, that even brainstorming is not enough. So in just few clicks, think, in just a minute your assignment was done. And now let's talk about project. I know all of us have a project passed in our due date. And let me guess, you're gonna face your computer, click, and click. Google search and search. Your project was solved and live. An example, your teacher gave a project that tells you paste a picture in a bond paper. Instead of drawing, why don't you search many pictures in a Google? When you're done finding pictures, you just print and decide it was done. There are times that you read many difficult words in essay, stories, and different poems. Using your cell phone or using the dictionary app, you will find the true and exact meaning. And do you know that the more technology in Japan, I am exactly sure that technology in Japan is very accelerated. Many Japanese students uses gadgets in their studies. We know that Japan is a progressive country. Example of progressive country that is rich in beauty. Now let's proceed to the negative side. First speaker is Angela Rodriguez.
Good afternoon to all of you and to all the listeners of Section Jasper and to all of you teachers. I am the representative of the negative side. I am not agreeing having computers or laptops in our school because our school has not enough money to buy some laptops, computers for all the students. If you will use some gadgets, computers, or laptops in school, it is hard to do because some of our school or the students are not really capable in handling some gadgets. For example, during discussion, some students will play their laptop rather than listening to their teachers. It may also make the students lazy. it is better not to have gadgets because it may also destroy our planet because of its radiation. You know, we can learn some things without using technologies, like the mountain areas. They live without technology. They learn without technology. They're just using some books to learn. It's better to read books because you appreciate the hard work of the author. It is happy because you're reading their hard work and their heart that they put into their books. And it's me, I am that we need to have technology in our school so that we can also save Mother Earth from the flood.
Second speaker from affirmative side, Anthony Barcelos.
I am the second positive side. This technology is important in school because it will help prepare students for their future careers, which will inevitably include the use of wireless technology. Integrating technology into the classroom is definitely a great way to bridge diversity in the learning styles. It gives students the chance to interact with their classmates more by encouraging collaboration. Technology helps teachers prepare students for a real-world environment. As our nation becomes increasingly more technology dependent, it becomes even more necessary that to be successful citizens. Students must be learned to be tech-savvy. Integrating technology in education will help students stay engaged. Today's students love technology, so they are sure to be interested in learning. If they can use tools they love. With technology, the classroom is the happier place. Students are excited about being able to use technology and therefore are more apt to learn. When mobile technology is readily available in the classroom, students are able to access the most up-to-date information quicker and easier than ever before. The traditional passive learning mode is broken. With technology, in the classroom, the teacher becomes the encourager, advisor, and coach. Students become more responsible and technology helps students take more control over their own learning. They learn how to make their own decisions and actually they think for themselves. Students can have access to digital decisions and actually access to digital textbooks and they are constantly updated and often more to be helpful. The school wireless network came up of ever-changing technology in wireless to keep up with our students' nostalgia.
Next, second speaker from negative side, Tisha May Italian.
Good afternoon to all. I'm the second representative of Management. Using technology in our school may have disadvantages because they always depend on it instead to study the lesson. Many children are being lazy because they always sit beside the computer instead to do their schoolwork. The students are always carrying gadgets instead to listen to their teacher. So that many children are cutting classes because just to play online games. Also, it can affect to our health. Technology has too much radiation that makes our body weak. It will kill all the cells that comes from our brain. Many parents are being mad because their children are forcing them to buy computers or etc. But many parents can afford it because technology like computers, cell phones, and etc. are expensive. So that from now on, stop using technology in our school because technology is bad. So that many children are young because they die young from technology. What if your teacher says print that activity and your mom has not enough money to give Hindi, 10 minutes lang ma'am.
Balik na po.
Yes ma'am.
Karoon sila.
For 3 minutes lang ma'am.
Kaya.
Technology should be applied in teaching a class.
Wala
Because
sa
nowadays,
makita
it
kayo.
is useful to students and teachers. Technology can help the students during their research, homeworks, projects, and etc. Technology is very useful to teachers too, making their work easy, like taking grades using calculator, replacing their outputs by PowerPoint and making it neat and adjust the students to listen to the lessons. How about the students who are sick, absent, and absent? Just by emailing them the lessons or assignments so that students can easily cope up to the class. How about learning other languages and speaking correctly so that you can communicate to other people? You can use technology to check your grammar, spelling, and vocabulary. Next is speaking stage. Microphone will be used for speaking through electronic devices like computer, laptop, and smartphones, and other gadgets which students will conduct on the assigned task. Then, speaking activities will allow students to get connected to their fellow students who are fluent in English and guide them also for their better use.
Third speaker from the negative side, James Russo.
Good afternoon to all.
1 minute na lang.
VR lecture. According to the article, that when using gadgets, there will be limitation in using it because it is harmful. Instead of using technology, it's more useful to search to the library or in dictionary to sharpen our mind and to avoid laziness. Poor students can afford gadgets because the monthly salary of their parents is not enough to buy gadgets like tablet, laptop, etc. The technology may cause the young ones to be addicted because of using it every day. There are several cases of sickness that can be taken using gadgets. Young ones who are addicted in gadgets start to do with school homework and it may cause the young ones to decrease their grades because of addiction. And so thank you.
Fourth speaker from affirmative side, Alexa Megapas.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm the fourth representative of the positive side. Nowadays, computers and web networks in the face of imparting knowledge is very, very fast, and one can be educated. One can study whenever he will, irrespective whether it is a day or night. There are some examples that we or you can get to technology in entire learning process. First, access to variety of learning process. Next, immediacy to information. Anytime learning, anywhere learning, collaborative learning, multiple communication channels such as email, chat, forum, blogs, or etc. Multimedia approach to education. Technology is also important
Automatic
because
save
it
ni
makes our
Nay.
work easier and faster.
Automatic
When
save.
you have a project
Back
or
lang na ako.
assignment, then you will research it on a computer. For me, technology is part of our lives. In our modern life, every day we use gadgets. Because, as you can see, almost everything we know can be found in the internet. And it can also make students' project easier and improve the scale of learning of students not only in the campus but everywhere, involving society, politics, and many more. It can help also most likely a teacher or student. It's because for teacher, he or she will use projector for presenting some video, pictures are not common to students. And as a result, it could cut the student's attention. And for student, it can help also them. That's how they think.
Fourth speaker from negative side, Shania Sulasula.
Yes, hi, good afternoon. And especially to our dearest teachers. Technology damages us. See, when we go to school, we see a vehicle, the smoke of the vehicle polluted our Mother Earth. So, that technology was the main reason why our Mother Earth now is very polluted. Yes, in school,
gadgets or texting or games on our gadgets, and we can focus on teachers' lessons because we are busy on that gadget. So others says technology was the technology. Others says that technology makes our life easier, but for me, it makes our life miserable. Example of that is Facebook. Facebook can be anyone and your friends because it is social. What do you want? What do you want? You can. You can say what you wanted, whether it is personal or not. No matter what, it can hurt or point anyone. So, technology was the bad influence to us because they make us addicted.
Wala siya din.
And
Wala pa ma'am.
addicted and technology makes us laziness and make us technology make us technology make us that's something.
Fifth speaker from affirmative side, John Carl Bertudez.
I'm the big representative of the positive side. We incline to favor the idea that technology does enrich our lives and provides with a huge quality of information and entertainment. For example, if you search something in the internet, you will see tons of information about it that some that you could not find. Because people are naturally lazy and value efficiency and convenience, technology has become a great practical value. Computer are just used on human, but are frequently used in machines to function. Cars, robots, and other high-tech devices are computer installed in them. Without computers, they will just useless chunk of metal. That's what they do.
Fifth speaker from negative side, Cedric Lee.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm the food representative of Egypt. Technology is found everywhere and people use it. But technology can lead us to a dangerous life. Technology can be harmful to our environment and lead us to several diseases like over-radiation in our eyes caused by our gadgets. And I know that technology can help students easier to in their schools. But remember, technology in our school can make the student lazy and only trust in technology. Students nowadays know about the pornographic content in their gadgets. They see these in a social website or in the ads. That's why some students are early get pregnant and learn to disrespect their own parents. Technology can be a bad influence for the student.
Sixth speaker
Pero ma'am,
from
tingnan mo.
affirmative side, Jasper Vicente.
Good afternoon, teacher and everyone. I am the last representative of class department. Technology is important because it can help us to make our learning easy and it can save our time for teaching. This is more important because nowadays teachers are using a new technology for them to make their work that easy, like computers, laptops, cell phones, and all gadgets that can make their work that easy. For example, instead of finding a definition in a dictionary, they use internet or Google search fastly and easily in just one time, and there you can find the meaning of the word by just a video. That is the advantage of technology in teaching. But of them is important in teaching process because it helps the teacher to teach their lesson easier in a good way. It serves as reinforcement to the students for them to understand well. The lesson will be taught by the teachers. For example, science subject, the
Murag
that
18 pa sila siya.
is water cycle and its process. But for better understanding for the concept, the teacher can show how the process of water cycle is done to the students. Aside from the fact that it adds reinforcement to the students' learning, it is also not the time consuming and can help motivate the students. Example, the computer. Computer is at the center of the new industrial revolution that has transformed modern life. Computers of all types, from the home computer to the giant mainframe, are becoming more powerful. They are also able to perform many new functions. Computers are at work helping scientists, artists, musicians, and engineers. Computers are vital in controlling the movement of the government. Computers are used in medicine to display the internal state and condition of potential participants. In school and college, the computer is helping to create the next generation of computer users. That's all.
The sixth speaker from negative side, Christopher Nisa.
Good afternoon to each and everyone. I'm the last representative of the team negative. Technology can be used, but it can take into the teacher's life. They can hurt students and can also hurt our body parts. Too much technology, like gadgets, can cause your eyes to blind. Then we can use the dictionary or in the library to search our needs, like researching. And because of technology, some students marry at very low age because of the website in Facebook or dating. In some places in China, they do believe that technology can harm at them. Although we have books to read about some students about it. Some students didn't follow their parents because of technology. Some like computers. They walk away because of technology. If you have some like a call, you use technology. For me, why didn't you use some mail to send a letter to your sender? That's all they will hear.
In rebuttal, each speaker will be given 1 minute to question and to defend yourself. First speaker from negative side, Angelo Enriquez.
So you are saying that it is better having technology, right? So that means you are okay that our Mother Earth will be destroyed.
As you were saying a while ago, that I am capable, that I am destroying the Mother Earth. No. No, because many students like me uses technology only in their studies, only in their learnings. Many students like me uses technology in research. Many uses technology in their studies. Because technology can be used in many different ways, either in bad way or in good way. It's just you how you it is just you how you use technology, either in just what I said, either in the good way or in the bad way. Second speaker to question from affirmative side, Andres Barcenas. Sorry, Miss Charlie. As you said a while ago, many teachers prohibited students using cell phones during class time. What I mean is cell phone
cell phone to research the difficult.
Diretso-diretso na.
But for me, what I was talking about, not too much to use the technology. Just what I was saying, that using technology can destroy our earth. For me, it is okay not to have some using gadgets in school because you can learn also using the books, not the technology. You can also learn the books, reading it. It is useful to read the book because you can also make the author happy because you are appreciating their hard work in it.
You say that the children's will be responsible, right? No, I don't agree. Because children will be more lazy. Instead of doing their household, they always sit beside the computer. Because when their mom will not be happy because instead of doing the household, you're playing on the online games and
Pasurihan na.
Third speaker, affirmative comments.
Actually, the parents actually is the guider of their sons and daughters. They usually expect immediately or to think the limit of using computer. If they buy limit of using computer, if they buy it like do the assignment before you use the computer. It is always before you to go to the computer and the limit time if you using computer is only 2 hours to get rest of your eyes and body.
do you think your mom will be happy if you're always sitting beside the computer?
No, but actually I do the things that he command on me and he always no but he good at me because I do it all her command and wait, I have a question. What do you use or if you use if you want to improve our nation without using technology?
I used to read books just instead of using technology. What if your mom has not enough money to give to her?
That technology because tradition era. And why will you use it? Why will you use technology in your daily life?
How can you remove the technology in the world without affecting the lives of the other people who use
can't be removed because technology because the people make the technology in our daily lives, but there are limitations in using it.
Why we should use that gadgets? So that we will be like in other countries. Why we should use that gadgets? So that we will like in other countries.
Yes, but you can use your time management to make to not use or not take the gadget. I have a question. As a fellow student, would you want or do you want to put yourself to make you addicted or to
No. Well, because we should use our brain on our studies, not the other technology. Because if you have trust to teach to yourself, then you can do what you want. Thank you.
Why we should use the technology?
Because to the school, in the school, rather, that example that with vocabulary, if you search in the Google or in the technology, you will find what do you want to find. So that's it. I have a question. If you don't use the technology, why could you use to find an information and why? If you don't use a technology, what would you use to find an information and why?
Try using dictionary or books in the library.
Why? Why?
Because books are have more information. Have more information on technology.
Why did you use handwriting rather than technology? Like you're doing some like project.
Nandito ka.
Because technology can be useful for handwriting rather than writing because when you use handwriting, it's a ball pen rather use by look and see rather than the computer or the device. How do you learn if there are no books in school or in the home?
For me, I only ask my some like brother like in college for me to study hard. So okay, that's all I mean.
It was indeed an informative battle of words and discussions. After each team presented and defend their sides, let us see what group has greatly convinced the class. How many of you agree with the team in support of the resolution or the affirmative? Raise your hand. How many of you agree with the team in support of the resolution or the affirmative? Just raise your hand.
Margud, laminaw. Kamu, hotel. Hotel. maminaw.
How many of you agree with the team in opposition or negative side?
About the different sides, the different concerns being told to us by the speakers. Now, for your activity, I want you to make a reflection. I want you to write a reflection, okay, guided by these two questions. First, take down. Okay, what have you learned from this activity? Second, if you are one of the debaters, how would you feel? Again, now first, what